Hey everyone, welcome back to Prepped and Ready. In emergencies, staying clean isn't just about comfort, it's about survival. Today we'll explore how to make DIY hygiene products like hand sanitizer, toothpaste, and even dry shampoo with simple natural ingredients. Let's dive into the ultimate hygiene hacks for when resources are limited. DIY hand sanitizer. Hand sanitizer is a must-have in any emergency kit. All you need is 60% alcohol, aloe vera gel, and a few drops of tea tree or lavender oil. Shake it up, and you've got an effective sanitizer that moisturizes too. What's your go-to DIY hygiene recipe? Share it below. Homemade toothpaste. Next up, toothpaste. Mix baking soda and coconut oil into a paste, then add peppermint oil for flavor and antibacterial benefits. Not only is it effective, but it's also chemical-free. Have you tried a natural toothpaste alternative? Let us know. Natural dry shampoo. For those in between wash days, DIY dry shampoo is a game changer. Combine cornstarch with baking soda and add essential oils for a clean, fresh scent. Perfect for when water is scarce. Homemade body scrubs and lotions. Pamper yourself with body scrubs and lotions made from everyday ingredients. Sugar, coconut oil, and essential oils create a scrub that exfoliates and hydrates, while shea butter makes for a deeply moisturizing lotion. What's your favorite DIY skincare trick? Drop it in the comments. DIY hygiene products are not just practical, they're empowering. With these recipes, you can stay clean and confident no matter the situation. Found this helpful? Hit like, subscribe, and visit our blog for more recipes. Don't forget to sign up for our newsletter for exclusive tips.